off and away. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the kid who'll decide where to go. Administrators, educators, guests, and the graduating class of 2014, it is a great honor to speak in front of you today. My name is Parya Shishpari, and it has been an absolute pleasure serving as your ASB president.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Alex Eros, and it is a great privilege to stand here speaking before you as your senior class president. My fellow graduates, today is our day, and in the words of Dr. Seuss, we truly are off to great places. Up until this point, we were children, some more so than others, but it's safe to say that it took determination to get this far. This is a jumping off point, only the beginning of our journey. We have slowly learned how to make decisions for ourselves, and now we are at the point where each choice we make is all on us. The world is in a constant motion, and as a part of it, we must move with it. When we took our first steps, we were met with hands outreached to catch us. Training wheels kept us upright on our bikes, floaties gripped our arms, and we found the surface. We never stopped, but rather transitioned.
But now, we are beginning a new transition. The class of 2014 is moving on from our beautiful school by the beach into a world of college and careers, to a world of independence. As Alex and I look back on the past 4 years, we want to express our gratitude towards our fellow graduates. Through trials, triumphs, and even a tragic loss, we've always stepped together. We united as one and reminded each other to always partake in acts of kindness.
It truly has been an incredible ride, and the memories we've created are forever lasting. 2014, thank you for your constant support, for your pride, for your lunchtime banter. Thank you for your intelligence and for filling our lives with joy and friendship. The tide of high school, although having raised us into young adults, is being swept away, and we are carried into a realm where, although it may seem we are on our own, there will always be guidance from the community that make up the crowd that faces us today.
But as we stand here in preparation for that next stride, we will not forget the training wheels, the floaties, and the arms that caught us along the way. We will not forget the educators who kept pushing us, the parents that kept supporting us, and the friends that stuck by our sides. We stand here today at our school by the beach because we are ready to let go. We stand here at the school that held us along our paths and forgave us when we fell. And when we fell, we felt its warmth, like the very sand that claims our coast. But the tide rolls in, the water crashes, and the impressions of our bare feet are gone. We are not afraid that our steps are no longer there to mark our journey. The sand is forgiving. It holds our position, but only briefly, so we may look back and know that we can only go forward.
But the sand only runs along the coast. The world is not made up of guiding cranes. And the asphalt beyond our coast may burn our once sandy feet, but we move forward. And as we move along the pavement, we can only hope to form grooves in this concrete world. We know that as we walk, our feet may ache and our souls may wear, but we remember the sand behind and prepare for whichever service lies ahead. We are grateful for the sand that hugged us and allowed us to leave an easy mark, but we are challenged to leave the shores and stand on the firm ground. We thank those who showed us the sand, but we are grateful to those who pushed us to leave it.
We are moving away from our shore and venturing into a concrete world, but we are not afraid. We are ready to give our bare feet a challenge, walk along the ground, and mark our unique paths as we continuously move along into the next journey. We are grateful for those who guided us, those who educated us, and for those who supported us endlessly.
On behalf of the graduating class of 2014, thank you to everyone who led us to where we are now.
Congratulations, class of 2014. We're ready!